I'm Justin with Access Unlimited. Today I'm going to show you a really neat product. This is a auto rotate PIR inside of a Honda Odyssey. This is a 2018 to current model, which is 2024 Honda Odyssey. So this uses a dual actuator system, one for the actual multi-lift, which I'll get into that a little bit more, and one up here for the auto rotate. They do have their own independent batteries and their own independent controllers. But I'm going to break down this all piece by piece here for you. So here we got our pickup device. This pickup device is what we call our FSM. This is just kind of a normal standard pickup device with 4 pickup points. While I'm here too, I'll show this does come with 4 different tie downs for the wheelchair and for the multi-lift. There's 2 over here, and we've got 2 over here. So then you've got, here is a swing arm. This is a custom swing arm built specifically for this. This can be adjusted to stop this from swinging too far in. And what that does is that allows you to almost go hands-free. Now every chair is going to be a little bit different, and it may fit in the vehicle differently. Several videos that we've taken today showing a chair going in. Your chair may be different than how that goes in. Each chair is different. So, and then you got your 2 pendants. These can be connected together, just like that. Working the system, you've got this one, works the multi-lift. And this multi-lift can also be used for a speedy bar. It can also be used in your home. A lot of different ways that you can utilize this. So this brings the multi-lift up. This controller actually swings it right in automatically. And it does go in far enough to close the door with or without a chair on it. So the system also has a stop right here for the multi-lift. It's a hard stop as well as a limit switch. Now this limit switch, when the multi-lift goes in far enough, it will stop this from being able to go in any further. And that keeps from being able to damage anything or go any further than it's supposed to. So I'll show you how this all breaks down. We're going to take a little tension off of here. It'll make it a little bit easier to get on and off. So we have a pin right here. You always want to utilize this pin anytime you're lifting anything. So then you got a pull pin right here. This pull pin easily pops right out. That comes off. And then you can put your pin right back in there, keep it there. Now this doesn't interfere with speedy bars or anything like that. You can still utilize a speedy bar in the same manner. Same with home stations, all those different accessories. So this comes right off. And there's the extra add-on piece. This piece does come with an auto rotate system. So then, for here, you've got another emergency release up here in case you have to take this off for any reason. And then this just pops right out of the actual PIR. So if you already have a PIR mount for a Honda Odyssey, you can actually purchase one of these and it just slides right into there. There's no extra things that you have to get for anything that you already have. So this pin right here fits right down in there. You can see there's our limit switch again and our stop. Here's our actuator and our manual release to separate this, and then the battery system. So these batteries do need to be charged, so you will need to take the battery out and you will have to charge that up. So, but that is pretty much it for this whole project. If you have any questions, definitely give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out.